Hi, I'm Dr. Kelsey Hall. I'm Associate Professor in Agricultural Communication, and I look forward to being your instructor in ASTE 6100. Your instructor of record for ASTE 7100 is Dr. Deborah Spellmaker. We have collaborated to share the same Canvas course, but separate our master's degree students and doctoral students into two sections. Our ASTE 6100 and 7100 courses are mainly designed for master's and doctoral students in the School of Applied Sciences, Technology, and Education. The course emphasis is on preparing a graduate research proposal in human and social sciences. In consultation with your committee chair, the research proposal you develop in this course will become the basis for either your master's thesis or your dissertation. So you're encouraged to discuss this course with your committee chair and your instructor to fully understand how this course fits into your graduate course of study and how you're going to use it to prepare your master's thesis or your doctoral dissertation. We have 3 learning objectives that we want to accomplish in both courses. You're going to gain a basic understanding of research and the documentation process using the American Psychological Association's publication manual. You're going to develop the skills in expressing yourself orally and in writing by writing the first 3 chapters of your research proposal and then delivering a research proposal presentation. You'll also learn how to find, evaluate, and use resources to explore your research problem in depth by helping you write chapters 1 and chapters 2. We have additional course outcomes presented on this slide. There are 2 required textbooks. The first is a newer version than past semesters teaching ASTE 6100, 7100. You'll want to be sure to get the 4th edition of Writing the Winning Thesis or Dissertation, a step-by-step guide. And then we'll use the American Psychological Association's publication manual, which is the 6th edition from 2010. In addition to those textbooks, we are going to use 2 resources provided by the School of Graduate Studies. I want you to download these 2 documents from the following website. You will want the Utah State University Publication Guide for graduate students and a Word file template that shows you specific sections of the thesis proposal formatting. Here, our course is laid out week by week in modules. So we provide the background information for that week's topic, listing learning objectives, providing assigned reading, video lectures, additional resources, and links to content and assignment requirements. And the structure and layout of these modules is the same for every week, making it really easy to use. When in doubt, always read your syllabus. So let's discuss some of the policies that we have in the syllabus. The first is to understand how this new change with co-teaching will affect grading. One thing that we did this year is to make sure that the committee chairs grade the research proposal and the research proposal presentation, because Dr. Spellmaker and I do not serve on every student's committee. So you're going to submit your chapters of the research proposal as Word files to your committee chair. And your committee chair will edit them, provide you feedback, and grade those chapters. Those grades will go into the Canvas gradebook. You will also do a research proposal presentation submitted as a video. Your chair will also grade that video. Now, I will provide the chairs with the rubrics for each chapter so that they can customize it and know exactly how to work with you on drafting these assignments. But there are assignments that Dr. Spellmaker and I are responsible for. So I want you to submit these assignments through Canvas so that I can grade them. Tell me about your self-survey, introduce yourself, the city training certificate, the APA exercises, and the critique of the research proposal. We do have deadlines for every assignment, so please check the course schedule and the Canvas modules to know what assignments are due, what the rubrics are, and the instructions involved. We do not accept late assignments in graduate school. You will have a score of 0. So contact your instructor or your committee chair if you have a legitimate emergency to reschedule your assignment due date. Do not do it post hoc. Please be upfront with your planning and reach out to your professors in advance. I expect you to communicate with me at the earliest reasonable opportunity through email or telephone. Now, all communication is disseminated from Canvas. So I use announcements in Canvas to communicate a weekly message about the week's readings, presentations, assignments, etc. And I want you to email me directly at kelseyhall.usu.edu to contact me about course matters, and then email Dr. Spielmaker in regards to course matters with ASTE 7100. You should set your notification preferences in Canvas to receive those announcements and conversation messages ASAP to email, cell phone, or social networking services of your choice. And if you want help with assignments or you have questions, we can use Google Hangout, Zoom, or Skype to talk. So please email me with a request to talk, and then we can schedule a time when you want to video or audio chat about course content. I encourage you to email your committee chair about your research proposal responsibilities and those assignments. The syllabus is subject to change, so I'll notify you regarding all changes. In the event of any discrepancy between the Word file syllabus and the content found in Canvas, the information in Canvas does take precedence. At some point in the course, you may disagree with the grade that you received on an assignment. So we do have some guidelines to help you in the case of a grade dispute. You are encouraged to take sufficient time, a minimum of 24 hours before responding, to think about your grade, review your assignment, and respond. Your chair or myself will only review a grade if you provide me with written responses explaining your perspectives and rationale concerning your grade. You can send that information directly to the individual responsible for grading the assignment, but your argument should be well-reasoned and based on evidence. It doesn't have to be long, but there should be a good rationale for why a grade should be changed. If you have any questions or comments about ASTE 6100 or 7100, please direct them to your instructor of record, and I look forward to working with you the rest of the semester. Thanks!